What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Dirt Exhibition. Today we are reviewing the Rigid Industries Chase Light. Are you ready? Now I'm about to show you guys this setup here, and I have to admit this wasn't my thinking on terms of how to set this up. I initially saw this on Instagram. It was at Sully_UTV, right? He had this set up on his Pro XP. I liked it a lot, so I was like, yeah, you know what, I like that. I want to put it on mine as well. It's a factory UTV.net spare tire carrier for the Pro XP, and the Rigid Industries Chase Light is mounted to the spare tire carrier, and it sits directly below or underneath the spare tire. So I like this setup a lot, guys, but unfortunately when I was researching it before I purchased everything, there really wasn't anything online. There was no videos, there was nothing really explaining this kind of setup, or even just the Chase Light in general, how to purchase it, how to set it up. So we're gonna do that for you guys right now.
And we give it back to you, the people.
So now when you're buying the Chase Light, everything is going to be sold separately. So that means that you have to buy the Chase Light itself, you have to buy the harness, and you have to buy the mounting brackets, all separately, all available on the Polaris website. I will include a link to all of those parts in the description of this video, so if you want to go check them out, they'll be there. Now, if you are going to buy them from other sources, just make sure that you have the right parts number. And as you'll see when I show you the switch does have a feature to switch through the different modes or the different settings in this Chase Light. All right, guys, so once you have your harness, your light, and your mounting brackets, it's time to get the install done. Now, the install is relatively easy. You're first going to start off with the plastics. Go ahead, get your T40 ready, and go to work. After you have all the plastics removed, it's very simple. You're just going to run the harness. We're going to start behind the dash here, plugging in the power source. We're going to run the harness all the way down. Once you take off the side panel, it's all going to be opened up. You just run the harness along the existing wires. The harness does come with zip ties. Once you get everything ran, you're just going to have the zip ties. Zip tie those nice and tight. That way they're not going to go anywhere. And that's it. Now the wire is going to run along the existing harnesses, and it actually piggybacks right here off of the tail light. Now the reason why it piggybacks off the tail light is because this light is going to act as a third brake light once it's hooked up. Now when you're getting the mounting brackets for your Chase Light, it's kind of blurred out, but these ones come down on an angle. You can also get ones that will come directly out, which means that this bar will come directly out and be flat. All right, guys, so now the moment that you have all been waiting for. We're gonna get this thing turned on, and I'm gonna switch through the modes and show you exactly what that looks like. Let's go. Off, on, off, on. Guys, so that is it. I hope this brought some clarity to you if you're in the market for this Chase Light and you want to know exactly how it works and what it's going to take to get this thing on your machine. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. But other than that, if you like the video, please do us a favor, like the video. And if this is content that you can regularly get down with, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help us out a lot, and we want to see you in the next video. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.